it has become a business, not even a proper business, corrupt business, where people take money, pay to elect so and so. One of the things that those who are behind those who have money have done, if you get elected, they think you are not doing what they want. They then give money to your comrades without you knowing, that pay people to be able to have so and so become a leader. So we have leaders who are not the leaders of the membership, but the leaders that have been elected by bought people with money. I don't think there is any democracy that we're talking about. And we know it because we have suffered. Maybe many of you have not. But some of us have, as political parties. There are people who are leading who are not supposed, who are not meant to be leaders. They don't even know how to lead. But because of the money, they are.